Page in Excel for multiple rows. So we have this data and we will calculate the uh, multiple rows percentage. We will get the data from the random number, then we will do the total cost of for each, and then we will calculate the percentage for multiple rows according to, for this data. In this video we also creates few charts like bar chart, pie chart, and the most important thing, this is the mobile training version, but this formula you can apply in desktop version because this is a Microsoft official app. So you can apply the same formula the same way you can apply this training to your desktop version as well. So don't worry about it. We will create this sheet and we will apply the percentage format for the multiple rows, and we also create a pie chart and bar chart with the help of this application. This is the Microsoft official application. For that you can have this application on the iOS version as well, also on the Android. So now I'm going to clear this data for to start the training. So for that I have to clear all the data, and I'm going to create random numbers. So for that I have to write the random formula, the random, to get the random number to have the data in our columns and rows, random between 5 to 10. So here you can see we have few data over here, like stock per stock in unit kg. So we have apple 7 kg, we have mango 9 kg. Now I'm going to apply the cost for each product per kg. For that I'm going to take the random numbers, sorry. So don't worry about it, the formula is totally same as the desktop version of the Microsoft Excel, but we are using Microsoft Excel application, official application of Microsoft Excel. So random between, and I will tell you how you can get it and which is the official application of Microsoft Excel. So you will get it online for your use, and you can create reports and other presentation on your cell phone as well. So here we get the cost of each product as well according to their names and the per. Now we need to have here as sum. We can apply some formula in two different ways in this application. We can select from here to bottom and we get the total. Now I'm going to apply some formula here to get the total cost. Sum we can select one by one. So here are some ways to calculate the percentage, sorry, get the data. So here you can see we write the formula as sum d6, d7, d8, d9, d10, d11, d12, and once we press the right sign, so we'll get the result in our cell. So now we have the data and we can create the total cost for each item. So for that then we will get the percentage of holding cost. So for that I have to multiply stock into sorry, stock into cost. The sign of a percentage we will take as static and the cost is here. Once we press the right key for on the formula bar, so we will get the result over here. So here you can see now we have the data for each item and we have the cost. Now we are going to calculate the percentage of holding cost in multiple rows. So for that we need to have the formula as total cost divided by the total the this cost. This is the grand total of all the items cost. So we will divide the total cost is equal to the total cost will be divided by the. Let me show you one thing. If you have this cell, and we are going to clear the format edit, sorry, first of all we need to clear the format. So here you can see we get the numbers, not the percentage. uh, Format, whatever tool or whatever function you need, you can clear formats. And we also write, if we write the numbers here, any number like 5. So here you can see now it's showing the number, numeric format, not the percentage. Before that I applied here as the percentage format. So now I'm going to apply a formula over here. The formula is cost of each item divided by, sorry, this is not the, we are going to get the holding cost for each item. So let me show you the formula of this calculation. Sorry, here was a call. Now I'm going to apply the formula as total cost divided by the grand total, and we need to fix this as with sign dollar. So I'm going to write the cell address over here, that is E, and I have to fix the raw as well. So I'm going to write the number as well. So once I'm going to press the sign of right mark, so it will be apply the formula. So here you can see we get the result, but not in the percentage format. For that I have to change the format, and here you can see we also get 1, which shows that this is 100%. So now I have to change the format. Format accounting, a special format, phone number, serial number, location. I have to find the format of percentage over here. Let me write the percentage. Just going to apply the percentage format, then I will here you can see, then I'm going to create the pie chart, bar chart, and few chart as well for your understanding how you can use this. And I also show you which is the best application for Android version and the iOS version, so you can get the official website and you can use the right application for your work, so you will not have the problem in your work, because some applications will not able to work properly. So I will show you the official application of Microsoft Excel. So we have done this exercise. Here you can see we apply the formula to get the result of percentage for multiple rows. I'm going to show you again here you can see I have done the percentage of each item, and here you can see we get the 100% as well. Let me open this file and let me change this to what is this formula? Okay, I'm going to apply this formula as sum. So I think there is some problem in this formula, so for that I am going to remove this formula and get the right, to get the right result I'm going to apply the right formula. The formula of percentage is correct, but I think so the result we are getting is not correct, so I'm going to apply the sum formula for now. I think this result is much better than before, and this is the correct result, I think so. Let me show you. Here you can see if we make it total, so we will get the 100% of each item. So this is the right way to do calculation for the multiple rows. Now I'm going to show you how you can calculate the how you can create the pie chart and bar chart, and you will get the result in percentage without getting data from the percentage data from the this chart. So this is a chart of we have this data in the percentage format, but we will not use this data. We will use this data to get the percentage in pie chart. We also create few chart as well, so please keep watching, and I will show you the official application of Microsoft Excel. There are few minutes remaining to, you can learn with this video a lot. So now I'm going to create a pie chart for the products and the stock, and I will show you, with this data we can get the percentage as well in our chart without calculating the percentage pie chart. We have few pie chart available here. We can use any format as per our requirement. Let me try this one. So here you can see we have product name and the and their stock as well. So we can apply a layout to get the percentage. Here you can see we have the percentage and the item names on the pie chart, and we can apply some other layout as well, like this one. Here you can see we get the numbers, not the percentage, in this format. And we have some more option, like only getting the percentage without the name of the item on the pie chart. We will get the name of each product on the right side of the pie chart over here. So I think the best one is name and each product on the pie chart with percentage. So here you can see we just select the data from the our chart, our table, and we get the graph on our screen with the help of Android application of Microsoft Excel, which is official Microsoft application. I'm going to create another chart that will be a bar chart. Bar, and I'm going to first of all I'm going to select the data over here. The data is the few seconds remaining. I'm going to show you the official application of the Microsoft Excel. I really recommend you to use this application because this application is fully functional. So we can select any bar as per requirement. Let me try this one. So we have this bar chart, and here are the names as well. Let me reduce the size of this bar chart, so we can drag it down and we can change the size of a chart as per our requirement. We can increase the size and we can decrease the size, and we can change the layout as well. So as per our requirement we can change the layout if we want the items names as mentioned in below, and the numbers on the each bar. So here you can see we have multiple layout options over here. Let me show you this one. So now I'm going to show you the official application of Microsoft Excel. So you can download it from the Android for iOS and Android version. So that will be very helpful. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and let me show you the right application of Microsoft Excel. The application is MS Excel sheet. All right. Oh, I need to open the Wi-Fi right now to show you the application of Microsoft Excel. So here you can see we have multiple applications available online, but we will use the official Microsoft Excel sheet to get the right result, to get the correct information, and we can use as the we use on Microsoft desktop version. So this application is the official Microsoft application. The Microsoft Excel create and edit spreadsheet, and this application created by Microsoft Corporation. All right. So this is a free application, is available online, and you can install it and you can download it, and you will have this application. You can work anywhere you want. You are traveling, you are doing something else, and you are not in your office, you want to submit any kind of report, you can create it on it. So we have multiple trainings on mobile as well, so and desktop version as well, so you can watch other videos and you can subscribe. And I want you to recommend this video to other your colleagues, and I hope you like this video. Please leave your comment right now. I really recommend you to watch other video as well to get learning about the percentage. There are many videos available on our channel to for the percentage. Here you can see we have multiple training that available. These are the 15 topics, and more topics also available on our playlist and the videos section on our channel. So you can get the training of any percentage calculation exercise. There are 15 and many more as well. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.